today's video, I'll show you how to use Windows Hibernate to save your work and turn off your PC without using any power. All you have to do is go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it and select choose what the power buttons do and select change settings that are currently unavailable. If in our case the Hibernate option is missing, then go to search menu and type CMD. I click on the command prompt and select Under Administrator and select yes. Type here powercfg space minus height space on and press enter. Now just close up here. Just reload this page. Just go back to power options and select choose what the power button do and select change settings that are currently unavailable. And now as you can see the Hibernate option is visible. Just check mark the Hibernate option and select save changes option and just close stuff here. You're doing your work on your PC. When someone calls your friends game or something else, you can just simply go to start menu and power option and select Hibernate option. This will turn off the PC but app stays open. When the PC is turned on, you are back to where you left off. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.